Guys, we did it. 10,000 subscribers. Holy moly, I don't know how we came to this point. I've been on YouTube for 3 years now, and we just hit a huge milestone. Thank you to all my subscribers, all of our Dynamic Training family for coming out, showing love and support. This is huge to me. So I just wanted to make a quick video to tell you guys 3 simple steps as to like how I've progressed and how I've done it, how we've gotten to 10,000 and how we plan on continuing to grow and grow to get bigger and bring better videos to you. All right guys, point number 1 that I wanted to make, probably the most well-known or talked about point, which is being consistent, okay? YouTube has been an absolute journey for me, and I know so many people are creating more and more content, whether that's on Instagram, TikTok, whatever social media platform that you are on. Consistency is everything, okay? Everybody starts, a lot of people create, but it's the people that continue to create and that are consistent with their posting and that grind it out, because guess what? It's not easy. And not everybody's gonna get that big viral video that just helps you explode and gain followers quickly. So one thing about YouTube is it's a long-term platform. So if this is something that you wanna be successful in and that you wanna grow for whatever your passion is, just know that you gotta be consistent. Don't just go for that viral video. You wanna post videos that are gonna get viewed now, but are also gonna have the ability to get viewed next year and the years to come. The second key to success is your ability to adapt to the changing in video culture, okay? So being able to see and realize that YouTube Shorts is a huge thing that's gaining traction and getting tons of views to people's channels, but still being able to stay true to long form video. At the end of the day, YouTube is a long form video content platform, so you wanna make sure that you are posting long form videos, but still being able to adapt and see the culture shifts and realizing that vertical videos is something that's absolutely huge and that there's huge craze on, and that is gonna continue to gain views. So being able to adapt and not just staying stuck in your old ways, you have to stay up current with the times and evolve with what's going on. And point number 3, kind of piggybacking on the last point, is constantly learning and improving your videos and your video quality. All right, I got my man Mario behind the camera right now, and he was a big part of that for me. I feel like I was really good at the first part, right? The consistency, the posting. But then I realized, you know, it's not just quantity, it's also quality. So I gotta be able to improve my video quality. Is the editing on point? Is the clarity there? You know, a lot of times if the clarity's not there, people don't wanna stay and watch your videos. Now, don't let that hold you back. If you're not posting because you don't have a good video camera, that's not a good enough reason. Start being consistent, but once you're being consistent, we gotta continue to add value, bring in quality, and remember that at the end of the day, the value you're providing to the viewers, right, to your members, what are you talking about? Are you just trying to get clicks, or are you trying to actually provide value that's gonna keep your viewers coming back to your channel again and again? We got more and more new videos coming. We're gonna focus on educational pieces to help our athletes continue to get better and better. We've also got a new series called Box Talk, which is gonna be a little bit more of like a podcast situation, where we got all of our coaches sitting down and answering questions that you guys have. So if you ever have a topic or you have questions and things that you wanna know about, drop us a comment, let us know, and we'll answer you in our next Box Talk episode. See you later.